and dances. Before we start our program, we wanted to thank our sponsors, the Indonesian Consulate in Los Angeles, the American Indonesian Culture and Education Foundation, Makassar State University, Indonesia, and the Indonesian communities of Colorado. We also would like to thank our guest artists and gamelan masters. Mr. Morianto, gamelan master from Indonesian Embassy, Washington, D.C., Mr. Begawan Chiptoning, a choreographer and dancer from UCLA, Los Angeles, and Dr. Nurlina Syahrir, the choreographer, dancer, and professor in the dance department of the Makassar State University. The next performance is dance and music from the Indonesian Makassar culture, Mak Datang Tondoku. This dance is from Toraja Makassar, South Sulawesi, one of the islands of Indonesia. This is
Balla.